So I got a notification from our shipping department, and I've got this nice Mazak wrapped package here. So let's open it up and see what's inside. And I think I've got some ideas. We've been working with Mazak on their laser deposition, their hot wire process on their VC500 hybrid machine. Now when I say hybrid, what do I mean? Well, typically, when we think of a Mazak 5-axis CNC, we're subtractive machining. But in this case, we're actually building the part up, and we're using CAM Manufacturing's A+ add-in for Mastercam to program that additive process. So let's get this open and check it out. So let's take a look at this part, right? Very interesting, but first impressions, this thing's kind of ugly, right? It's not, as a machinist, this isn't what I'm used to looking at, right? I'm used to looking at nice surface finishes, a really finished part. Let's talk about that from an additive standpoint. Sure, I could go in and machine this whole part to finish once I'm done, but what's the point, right? The critical features of this part are machined. So that's the beauty of an additive and subtractive process integrated into one machine, a hybrid machining operation, right? Now I can take that purchase flange that's down on this end, right? Start building from it, do some machining, and I'm only machining the critical components, the ID of the part, where the flow path of the fluid is, right? And I'm able to properly place and orient different flanges and get those machined in process. So if you look down the center of this part, right, it's totally finished on the inside. That flow path for the fluid is perfect, a perfect machine finish. Everything is located the way that it should. The flanges are machined in proper location. Now, what's fascinating about the Mazak hot wire deposition process, that's actually a Lincoln Electric head that's integrated into the machine. That hot wire process is a lot faster than a lot of other additive processes that are out there in existence in the marketplace. That hot wire allowed us to put 7.3 pounds of material down on this part in an hour and a half. That's not including cooling time, right? In between certain segments, you do have to cool the part off and wait a little bit before you can go to machining. So if you're comfortable programming a 5-axis part or even a 3-axis part in Mastercam, programming a part like this isn't any more difficult, right? These additive operations get nested in your operations manager with the A+ plugin, just like a regular subtractive operation in Mastercam. Nothing unique there. So really, really great project to work with. Mazak's been a great partner on this, and really excited to see this all come together.